Guys, in this episode we will learn how to make a scratch card like Google Play. For example, there is a scratch card. When we scratch this card, a simple toast message is displayed. So create a new Android Studio project. First go to your project level Gradle module. Inside all project, add the Maven URL. You can copy this URL from my description box. Now go to app module Gradle. Here add the two dependencies. First one for the Scratch view and second one is Google material. You can copy this from my description box. Sync the project. First we add the two images inside our drawable folder. Copy these images. Click on resource, right click on drawable and paste that images inside the drawable. Click on OK, then OK. Now go to activity main.xml. Here delete this text view. Now click on container and drag a card view inside our activity. Give the ID to this card view. Define constraint for this card view. Change the width to 210 dp and height also in 210 dp. Now change the card elevation into 5 dp. Now click on layout and drag a linear vertical layout inside card view. Now click on common and drag a image view inside our linear layout and choose the gift box image, then click on OK. Now change the width to 90 dp and height also to 90 dp. Now change the gravity into center. And change the margin top to 20 dp. Now drag a text view inside linear layout. Change the text size to 22 sp. Now change the text color into Android black. Now change the text appearance to body 1. Now change the text you have born. Here use the symbol for rupee sign. Now change the gravity into center. Now change the layout margin top to 15 dp. Now change the text style into bold. Now go to split section and below the linear layout, here add the scratch view. Give the width to 210 dp and height also 210 dp. Add the ID scratch view. Now add the overlay image and overlay width to 210 dp, also height to 210 dp. Now go to main activity.java. Here define our scratch view. Now inside on create method, initialize our scratch view. Now add the reveal listener on this scratch view. Scratch view dot set reveal listener, new scratch view reveal listener. Here we will display a simple toast message when a scratch card is revealed. Toast, here a simple message revealed. Now we can test our application. So when we scratch this card, a simple toast message is displayed revealed. I hope you will understand this concept. Please subscribe my channel for getting more Android tutorial updates.